होता क्या है कि वी आर ऑलवेज लर्निंग वेदर वी आर डूइंग एक्चुअल वर्क और वी आर गोइंग थ्रू बुक्स एंड कोर्सेज. इसके साथ में एक चीज़ ये आती है कि लाइक आई हैव मेंशन्ड tens of times on my Instagram that writing has been the highest leverage skill that I was able to develop in the last 4 years ever since I started in this online world completely. होता क्या है कि people usually stop or reduce this habit of writing heavily once they complete their basic education. अगर तुम लोग उनमें से हो जो जस्ट कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट है या फिर तुमने स्कूल कंप्लीट किया बट तुम कॉलेज नहीं गए, तो राइटिंग वाली हैबिट छूट जाती है एंड दैट्स वेयर इट लाइक इट बिकम्स अ बिट वियर्ड. तो होता क्या है कि अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स इन दी ऑनलाइन बिजनेस वर्ल्ड ओवरऑल चीज़ में बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर बन जाता है अराउंड हाउ यू आर एबल टू टेक नोट्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग. सो व्हेन आई वाज इन माय सेल्स मेंटोरशिप, that's where my sales mentor used to say that note takers are money makers, and that has always stuck with me, and it's the main reason why I have my setup here, and uske aage I always have my notebook, so I'm writing pretty much everything, right? I keep one notebook here, another one here, and in सबके अलग अलग purpose होते हैं. I have like a small notebook for my to-do list as well, so everything is written down, right? अब एक और चीज़ यहाँ पे ये थी कि I got a big enough table just so I can have my notebook in front of my keyboard, right? क्योंकि पहले इशू आता था when I used to keep it side by side. But anyway, overall the point is that I want to take you guys through the entire process of me taking notes and how I actually do it with in every single in every single aspect, whether I am working, I am reading, I am learning, मैं course का कुछ भी पढ़ रहा हूँ या फिर I'm just clearing up my mind. I'll cover everything, okay? So let's go. Alright, so for this part let's move on to Notion. I'm gonna put my glasses क्योंकि मेरे को लाइट के लिए मॉनिटर का लाइट चाहिए and it's late at night, so let's move on from here. Okay, so ever since I started my whole online journey, I have always taken notes digitally as well. I used to do book summaries in Google Docs, and I used to write scripts initially when I didn't know of Notion on Google Docs itself, right? So I'll show you. यहाँ पे you can see that this is something that I created like years ago. So you can see like a lot of the scripts that I used to have, right? And this is me actually building content when I was I was doing content in 2020 or 2021. This is everything that I used to do, right? So that's my content process. अगर हम यहाँ पे version history देखें, so you'll be able to see, okay, last time I edited this was September 1st of 2021, right? तो मैं इस तरीके से बहुत सारे Google Docs रखता था, right? And मैंने मेरी community के अंदर भी ये दिया है. So straight line leadership notes. So this is this is where I used to one sec. Okay, so you can see that this is where I used to have written notes of books as well. तो मैंने मेरी community में दिया था. If you guys want it, I want let's say 10-15 people wanting the straight line leadership notes. This is one of the best books that I ever read on leadership completely, right? तो अगर तुम्हें ये चाहिए, let me know in the comments and I'll update the description of the YouTube video after a day of this upload, and then I'll put that here. So as you can see, मैं पहले इनको Google Docs में करता था. तो if I had to take notes of anything, वो पहले यहाँ जाता. But once I got to know about Notion, I started developing I started learning the platform completely. And उसके बाद में it was more about okay, now how can I be more effective when it comes to taking notes. So there's this Notion Clipper extension that you can see here. होता क्या है कि you can use this extension and it automatically creates a page inside the inside the I don't know what they call this, but ये जो होता है ना इस टाइप का let's say page within the page, वो ऐसा एक उसमें point बना देगा, and then that's how you'll be able to document that. So if I were to give you an example, let's say अगर मेरे को ये biz scripts वाले page को Notion पे डालना है, so I'll click this Notion Clipper and then it will show कि भाई ये मेरे को कौन से part में डालना है. Workspace आ जाएगा. Let's say if I put it in notes, if I save this page and then if I open this in Notion, तो वो नोशन पे यहाँ पे एक पेज बन जाएगा एंड लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स ये पूरा का पूरा लाइक कॉपी कर देता है यहाँ पे उस चीज़ को, लाइक एम्बेड बन जाती है. इफ यू कैन डू दिस विद यूट्यूब वीडियोज, यू कैन डू दिस विद मीडियम आर्टिकल्स का आई थिंक वो पूरा का पूरा आर्टिकल भी कॉपी पेस्ट कर देता है यहाँ पे, सो इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट. Okay, so let's now go into this entire template. I'll put a link in the description so you can actually copy this template and I will not hold back anything. You can take the notes as it is जो मैंने बनाया. Okay, तो as you can see मेरा ये एक table view था जो over time I was constantly updating this. I did not have this structured in terms of having separate pages. I just made a table. So you can see I named it a type as Twitter thread and you can see that I wrote a Twitter thread if I was reading any fiction. तो मैंने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा आज तक. Non-fiction, article, YouTube video, podcast, other free course, paid course, right? And then this is like the everything view. So I have everything that I was like learning from here. You can see 73 points है यहाँ पे. And then if we move on to non-fiction, this is where I used to write all of my book notes. So whatever I was reading, I used to document it here. So I used to have it like completely structured in terms of the genre, life advice, कितने pages पढ़े हैं, total pages वगैरह वगैरह, and note status, date finished, and then I used to give it a rating as well. And then इसका template का क्या scene होता है? Let's say if you open Rework, I took Ali Abdal's note taking template and I changed it a lot, right? तो मैंने लिया like the book in 3 sentences, impressions, how the book changed me, and then whenever I used to have, let's say, breakthroughs in terms of anything that I went through उस book में से, so I used to write it here, right? And then my top 5 to 7 quotes, my favorite quotes, and then I used to write the entire summary of the book यहाँ पे. So like I'll link it, you can find all of the notes that I took from this book completely, right? So यही था. And then I have Deep Work, Savage Wisdom. I don't know, मैंने Savage Wisdom की ज़्यादा नहीं लिए. Deep Work का भी I don't think I've finished it. Can't Hurt Me, I don't think I finished it. And then सब कुछ यहाँ पे है. So you can find a lot of good notes here overall. Okay, so let's say if were to use this template for yourself, तुम्हें अगर book के notes तुम खुद के लिए चाहिए, तो you create a new row here, you open, and then यहाँ पे you click non-fiction book. So it'll like create this entire template where you can write the title of the book here, author यहाँ पे, type of the book, you can write genres, you can just add more and more, like जितना भी तुम चाहो यहाँ पे, you can give it a rating, and then यहाँ से you can write all the fields that are necessary, right? And फिर इसके नीचे तुम summary लिख सकते हो. That's how you used to do it, and like this was kind of the same for YouTube videos as well. So you can see, like let's say if I were to open this and I used to use the web clipper, तो web clipper से सीधा यहाँ पे वीडियो भी embed हो जाती है कि so you can actually like when you are watching a certain YouTube video, you can embed this here, play it, and then write the notes below. So इस तरीके से like you can have all of the data here. So that's pretty much all of the notes that I had digitally. Twitter threads, same चीज Notion web clipper से हो जाती है. Course notes as well. I don't know if like this would be best in terms of plagiarism, but I'll remove these so you can take the course notes whatever you are going through. So this was like the overall view of everything that I was learning in terms of note taking and doing that digitally. एक और चीज जो मैंने habit करी थी, and I always keep this tab open in my in my browser, is this part called quotes that inspire me. So anything that I find inspirational, it's been a while since I updated this, but you will see that I have written quotes that inspire me, and मेरे को अगर Twitter पे कुछ अच्छा मिला है, if I found a quote inside a book, कोई course में मेरे को कुछ मिला है, मेरे को कोई picture मिली है, right? I used to write it all here. And during the rainy days, तो अगर Justin क्या नाम है उसका, जस्टिन वॉलर नाम है ना, so he talked about this concept called rainy day. So whenever you are not having a good day, you can come back to this, and then you will be able to recall some inspirational stuff that actually helped you in the past. So this is what I had. अब मैं तुम लोगों को इसका access नहीं दूंगा because it's personal, but again तुम लोग अभी तक जितना मैंने लिखा उसको देख के you can actually write it for yourself. So this is pretty much all of the digital note taking that I did. And yeah, if you have any questions about this, like I'll link the template for the note taking page that I have here, and then you can just duplicate it for yourself. तुम्हें top right में option आ जाएगा. Okay, So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and yep, I'll see you in the next part of the video, and that will be straight away to the camera. Part 2 is physical. This is where, you know, it gets fun. I absolutely love writing. I am always writing, like, you know, there's a notebook in front of me at all times, like I've said. So जब भी मेरे दिमाग में कुछ आता है, I just straight away write it here. And recently what I've done is I have separated the notebooks that I have. So this small one is purely for my brand, and everything that I'm related, like, you know, I'm doing related to my personal brand, whether it's content, whether it's coming up with ideas. I'm recently working on, like, you know, a brand deal, although you guys know कि मैं ज़्यादा brand deals नहीं करता. So everything that I have, like any idea, I'm gonna note it down here. Then I have a separate notebook. So this one is about all of the courses that I'm taking. So if I watch a YouTube video or I am taking a course, everything goes in here. So that's, like, you know, that's how I'm able to know कि भाई मेरे को कोर्स के नोट्स कहाँ पे थे, and usually ढूंढने में टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं लगता. And उसके अलावा I have, like, you know, this rough notebook. So any random idea I'll have, or if I need any notes from a particular sales call, I'll write them here. Okay, तो सब कुछ यहीं पे होता है, and it includes, like, you know, pretty much everything. It includes the client work, the sales calls, the content strategy, invoices, team payouts, random ideas, any book takeaway that I had, if I had a quote, like, you know, pretty much everything. So there's no real process. It's just that ki if I have, like, an information transfer going on between me and, like, you know, the system, I want to write everything down. So let's say if 2 days from now I get a random idea and I'm like, okay, इसके बारे में मैंने कुछ 2 दिन पहले किया था, so I'm able to track it back and I know कि वो क्या चीज़ थी. Usually होता क्या है कि लोग उस चीज़ से सफ़र नहीं करते कि वो चीज़ भूल चुके हैं, उनको उस चीज़ की दिक्कत होती है कि यार उन्हें याद नहीं आ रहा कि वो क्या भूलें, राइट? तो वो वाली चीज़ को ओवरकम करने के लिए, एंड दिस वाज, लाइक, यू नो, अ स्मॉल कोर्स दैट आई टुक इन 20, like, you know, end of 2020. इट वाज कॉल्ड मिशन कंट्रोल. सो द होल पॉइंट ऑफ दैट कोर्स वाज कि तुम को अगर कोई भी चीज़ याद रखनी है, यू ऑलवेज नोट इट डाउन. सो व्हेन इट्स एक्चुअल टाइम फॉर इट, यू आर एबल टू गेट बैक टू इट, एंड तुम्हें टेंशन नहीं होगी कि भाई तुम किसी चीज़ को भूल रहे हो या नहीं भूल रहे हो. ओके, अभी बिकॉज everything that I do is written, I can't work without a notebook. So if I'm traveling, I'm going to take a small notebook with me. I'll always keep my to-do list with me, and I have to write pretty much every single thing that I'm doing. Okay, so वो वाला चीज़ होता है. A lot of times what I would do is I have this WhatsApp group with just me, and I'm gonna, like, you know, I send random voice notes inside it, or मेरे को अगर कोई चीज़ याद रखनी है, I just type it there because I know कि okay, WhatsApp web is always open, so I can just open that and I'll get reminded. So होता क्या है कि okay, if I'm doing brand work, this is very intentional. I'll look back at things, I'll recall, I'll strategize based on it. The course notebook, it helps me recall a lot. So let's say if I learn something new and I have to do an urgent team call, so I'm able to direct them कि भाई मैंने actually में पढ़ा क्या है. And then this rough notebook, like, it's pretty much just because I want to write. I usually do not go back to it unless it's sales call notes or it, like, you know, it's client content strategy. I do not go back to it. I just want everything written. Okay. So another thing that usually happens here is, let's say if I have to set a certain reminder, or if I have to be reminded about a certain event that, like, you know, it's gonna happen, let's say later in the day or few days after or few weeks after, I write it down here first, and I always make sure that I create an event in my Google Calendar, and then I just forget about it because I know that I'll be reminded on the day of the event, right? So that's how I do these physical note taking, and there's no real structure to it. अगर मैं तुम लोगों को overview दूँ, ever since I was a child, I have always been big into sketching, and, like, you know, घर वालों से मार पड़ती थी अगर writing अच्छी नहीं हो, तो I've always worked on that. So I'm able to articulate my thoughts really well when I'm taking notes, or I'm able to draw a lot of diagrams. So if I can show you on the camera, so you'll always see that I am, like, you know, focus. I'm always creating diagrams like these, so I'm able to articulate it really well. So कोई real structure नहीं है, it's just that I write everything down. Okay, so that's pretty much all of the note taking I do in terms of work. Now part 2B is journal. So this is mainly for, like, you know, relaxing, reflecting, clearing up my mind. So since October of last year, I wanted to develop this habit of journaling daily. Right? अभी मैं थोड़ा सा break वाले phase में हूँ. I don't journal daily in terms of like what I'm doing personally, but I had a good phase of about 5 to 6 months where I was journaling on a daily basis. Right? So this is not a forced habit. Initially it was because journal करने की कभी मेरी आदत बनी नहीं. Even though I was a big writer, I have at least 50 notebooks, or I think more than 50 notebooks that I've filled until now with every single note that I've taken. Just shutting down and writing my thoughts is like a habit that I was never able to develop. So last year I just forced myself into it, right? And I had this very small journal. It was about this big, and my non-negotiable was that okay, if I'm journaling today, I'll fill one page completely, and I will fill it completely. I will not even leave space for a single line. And my journals were not prompted. मेरा बस ऐसा होता था कि okay, I have my to-do list. I know what happened in the entire day, and I can just look at it and I can recall what happened. So that usually helps with just memory in general, because one thing that I realized is कि अगर आज तुमसे हम कोई पूछ ले कि भाई तुमने 2 दिन पहले लंच में क्या खाया था, या फिर तुमने 2 दिन पहले एक certain moment of time में क्या किया था, you are not exactly able to recall that. So this is like a good memory training that I have, and that's how I created like a journal where I am looking at my to-do list and I'm just articulating my thoughts that okay, how did it feel when I wake up? What were my thoughts when I was in my deep work sessions? What were the thoughts when I was on a client call or a sales call? How did it feel doing MMA? Right, all of it. And after filling up the small journal, I'll actually show it to you guys. This was the small journal that I started. So you can see it's almost this big, and I filled it. I used to fill it like this. Okay, I don't want you to actually read कि मैंने लिखा क्या है. So I was writing on a daily basis until I just created this habit where there were certain days where I was like writing 6 or 7 or 8 pages of this small notebook. So I was like, okay, New Year's आ गया है. Let me just start a better journal. So I bought this diary and I just transferred that older habit that okay, now that this is a bigger diary, I will fill one page at least. So you can see that I used to fill the entire pages until the end. And again, my non-negotiable was that I was gonna fill an entire page, and there were some days where I just had more to vent. I just had more to talk about. Those were the days when I went on for like 10 pages as well. Other than this, in terms of journal, I have another one, and this is for MMA. So I'll actually see कि मैंने start कब किया था. So on 28th of November, I started taking proper notes of every MMA session that I have. Initially, I used to take the notes inside my phone, but वो notes app में type करने में time लगता था. So again, pen and paper is the ultimate combo. So let's say if the coach teaches a technique, I journal and I recall how the technique was. I write it in words with every single detail, and then when I'm writing it, I used to visualize me doing that technique. So that helped me recall things better. And a lot of times what happened was, let's say if I learned a technique today, I'm able to execute it the next day or 2 weeks after, and there were just some techniques that then became second nature, right? So along with that, whenever I was sparring, I was rolling with people, if there were mistakes that I made, something that I did really well, what were the specifications of it? Because for example, I am usually rolling with all of my training partners are usually stronger and bigger in weight, more in weight. So what were the things that I did well, गलत क्या हुआ, वो सब कुछ यहाँ पे आता था. And initially when I started jiu-jitsu, for the first 6-7 months, I didn't really make any progress. I didn't know what was going on. मैं बस वहाँ पे जाके vibes में जीता था. But after starting journaling, it's like I had this exponential graph that since November of last year, I have made significantly more progress as compared to the months combined before that. So these are the 2 main journals I have. As of this moment, today is what? 17th July. It's been I think over 3 weeks since I last journaled in this, but I'm gonna get back to it today. And then I'm always journaling here, so it helps me recall. And काफी बार coach next day एक दिन पहले की techniques करने को बोलते हैं, so this helps there as well. So next one is really small, but it has had a lot of impact during my early years in this online thing. So when I was taking Jason Capital's course, he used to emphasize the importance of flashcards, right? अभी बहुत छोटे notes हैं, okay? You'll see that. So I got these flashcards from Amazon, and these come with keyrings. तो इसका एक पूरा ऐसा set आता है, and then you get these many flashcards. These are all like empty chart paper जो होता है उसके pieces होते हैं, and then you get keyrings, so you can actually structure them in ways. So let's say तुमको books के notes लेने हैं, तुमको किसी course के quick notes लेने हैं, तुम इसमें रख सकते हो. And then these flashcards are like a small recap of all of the information that you consume. So in the initial days of me being on this online journey, Jason Capital के course में he recommended us that we take quick notes of everything that we learn, and it's not like हमको descriptive होना है, we just write pointers. And before sleeping and after waking up, that's when we read through everything, because हम जब उठते हैं और हम जब सोने जा रहे होते हैं, that's where our brain waves are of certain kinds जहाँ पे subconscious में जल्दी information जाती है. So this has actually helped me a lot in terms of retaining information. So what I do is, let's say if I really like a book, or if I am an insanely big fan of some course, I usually end up reading through or going through the entire book or course again completely, and I create notes from scratch. So the constant notes that I've always had, in the last year or so, it has been about the Millionaire Fastlane, right? So this was one of the best books that I read in the last few years, and I always keep this. So जैसे ही मेरी नज़र में ये flashcards आते हैं, I just give them a quick read, and it helps retain the information a lot, right? And it's an insanely useful hack. If you have this habit of forgetting a lot of things, I would recommend that you get these flashcards from Amazon. I'll see if I can put a link in the description. If not, what you can do is you can just search on Amazon flashcards with keyrings, and you'll get a set like this, and it's really helpful. So I would highly recommend developing this habit if you want to retain information of any sorts. Okay, so now that we have covered every single sort of note taking, you'll see that digital side is not that big in my own routine yet. Although I take a lot of notes digitally, मेरे सारे scripts, मेरा पूरा personal brand, clients का सारा काम, it's all online, but whatever I'm doing on a personal level, it's completely documented inside these notebooks, right? You can't take the physical aspect out of it. Like this is, I don't know, I read it somewhere recently on Twitter or Instagram, according to a study, that this is one of the most complex skills that we perform as a human, and it's always good to be good at taking notes properly. So होता क्या है कि I was reflecting on this, and मैंने notes पे भी लिख रखा है that you don't know how starved you are of basic human basic physical human functions, because हर चीज़ डिजिटल होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर तुमने स्कूल में हिंदी लिखी है, तुमने कोई भी अपनी रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस लिखी हैं, and you have graduated college, if I give you a task that okay, you have to write one page of pretty much anything in that language, you will have mistakes in every single sentence, and वो पूरा बहुत अगली सा पेपर बनेगा. So it's always good to have this habit of being able to write properly, right? I sometimes just write Hindi for some reason, right? That helps me stay on top of the language itself. And apart from that, these 4 ways are pretty much everything that I do in terms of taking notes. I don't know, this was a video which I just structured on the spot, and I just wrote the entire script in one go. So I would recommend you to go try it for yourself, and please develop this habit of writing. And I'm gonna give you a bet. Develop this habit of writing, and in 2 years you have stayed consistent at it. And if you don't succeed, or it doesn't help you directly in anything that you are doing, you get back to me and you show me कि भाई तुमने वो writing को implement किया and it still didn't help you. I'll pay you some money or I'll buy you some food, right? Take that from me. So that was it in terms of taking notes. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.